Hello everyone, welcome to Kaizen classes. Today we will discuss the fundamentals of science, some basic MCQs related to fundamentals of science. This is the part 1. We'll be having 5 parts on it. So let's come to question number 1. Name the longest bone in human body. Name the longest bone in human body. The answer is femur. Femur is the longest bone in human body. Question number 2. Dash is called the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 2. Which is called the powerhouse of the cell? The answer is mitochondria. Mitochondria is called the powerhouse of the cell. Question number 3. The reason for a swimming pool to appear less deep than the actual depth is. What is the reason for a swimming pool to appear less deep than the actual depth? The reason is refraction of light. Question number 4. What is the working principle of hydraulic brakes in automobiles? The answer is option number D, Pascal's law. Pascal's law is the working principle of the hydraulic brakes in automobiles. Name the smallest bone in human body. So as you all know, femur is the longest bone in human body. The smallest bone in human body is stapes. It is present in the ear. Stapes is the smallest bone in human body. In vulcanization process, rubber can be hardened by adding. The answer is option number B, sulfur. Question number 7. Which vitamin plays important role in blood clotting? The answer is option number C, vitamin K. You can see in the pictures the food which are rich in vitamin K are given here. Question number 8. Which type of lens is used to correct vision of a person suffering myopia? The answer is concave lens. Option number B, concave lens. Question number 9. Brass is an alloy of which two metal? The answer is option number C, copper and zinc. Question number 10. What is the common name of sodium bicarbonate? The answer is option number A, baking soda. Question number 11. Name the metal which has the maximum thermal electrical conductivity. The correct option is option number B, silver. You must be thinking then why silver is not used in the electrical appliances. The answer is simple, because silver is very much costly, so it is not used in the electrical appliances, though it has the maximum thermal and electrical conductivity. Question number 12. Name the most abundant inert gas present in the atmosphere. Which inert gas is present in most abundant form in the atmosphere? The answer is option number B, argon. Question number 13. What is the number of chromosomes in normal human body cell? The answer is option number C, 46. Which inert gas is used in electric bulb? Question number 14. Which inert gas is used in electric bulb? The answer is option number B, argon. Sour milk and curd contains which acid? Question number 15. Sour milk and curd contains which acid? The answer is option number B, lactic acid. Question number 16. Name the largest living flightless tallest bird. The answer is option number A, ostrich. Question number 17. What is the chemical name of vinegar? The answer is option number A, acetic acid. Question number 18. The best source of vitamin C is? Answer is option number B, gooseberry. Question number 19. Clove, the commonly used spice, it is obtained from? You can check the options: flower bud, root, stem, leaves. Clove is obtained from? The answer is option number A, flower bud. The source of vitamin D is, out of these options, which is the source of vitamin D? This is an easy question and common also in many exams. The answer is option number B, sun rays. Question number 21. Vitamin C helps in absorption of which of the following elements? Iron. Option number A, iron. Question number 22. What is the chemical name of vitamin C? Answer is option number A, ascorbic acid. Question number 23. Deficiency of which vitamin can cause night blindness? Answer is option number C, vitamin A. Question number 24. The common name of the chemical compound cholecalciferol is? Option number B, vitamin D. The deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease? Question number 25. The deficiency of vitamin D causes which disease? Option number A is the correct answer, rickets. In human body, vitamin A is stored in? Question number 26. In human body, vitamin A is stored in liver. Option number A is the correct answer, liver. Question number 27. Which endocrine gland is also known as master gland? Out of these endocrine glands, which is known as master gland? Option B, pituitary gland is the correct answer. Option B, pituitary gland. Question number 28. What is the SI unit for measuring intensity of sound or noise? Answer is option number A, decibel. Question number 29. Where is pituitary gland located in human body? The answer is option number D, brain. You can see the picture of brain and the nervous system on the right side. Please mark all the glands and all the parts present in brain. Question number 30. Who is regarded as the father of medicine? This is a very basic question and is asked in many exams. Who is regarded as father of medicine? Answer is Hippocrates. Option number D, Hippocrates. Alzheimer affects which part of human body? Option number C, brain. Question number 32. Which type of mirror used in automobiles to see the traffic on rear side? Answer is option number C, convex mirror. You can find this type of mirrors fitted in your bikes or cars. Question number 33. At what temperature the numerical value of Celsius and Fahrenheit becomes equal? The answer is option number D, -40. Okay, question number 34. Process through which the body manufactures blood cells in bone marrow is called? How the blood cells are manufactured in the bone marrow, the process is called what? The answer is hematopoiesis. You can see the process of hematopoiesis in the right picture. Hematopoiesis is a process of manufacturing of blood cells in the bone marrow. Question number 35. Iron is prevented from rusting by coating with zinc. The process is called? You all must be knowing the answer of this. The answer is option number A, galvanization. Galvanization is the process of coating steel or iron with zinc. Question number 36. Which rays is not emitted from radioactive elements? The answer is option number D, cathode rays. Question number 37. What is the melting point of ice on Kelvin scale? Answer is option C, 273. 273 is the melting point of ice on Kelvin scale. What is the SI unit of electrical conductivity? The SI unit of electrical conductivity is option number A, MHO. Question number 39. Which device is used to measure radioactivity? This is a very important question. Which device is used to measure radioactivity? Answer is option number B, Geiger-Müller counter. You can see the instrument, the device in the right side, the picture you can see of Geiger-Müller counter. Question number 40. Who invented battery? This is a very basic question. Who invented battery? The answer is option number A, Volta. What is the purpose of choke in tube light? You all must have seen a choke in the tube light. What is the purpose of it? What is the use of it in tube light? The answer is option number C, reduce current in circuit. Question 42. What effect will be on acceleration due to gravity if the radius of Earth is decreased? Answer is option number A, increase. Question number 43. The web of the spider is made up of which of the following? The answer is option number B, proteins. Question number 44. Atomic theory of matter was given by? Answer is option number A, Dalton. You can see picture of Dalton in the right side. Question number 45. What is the SI unit of electromagnetic induction? The answer is option number A, Tesla. Tesla is the SI unit of electromagnetic induction. Question number 46. Name the device which directly converts solar energy into electrical energy. Answer is option number A, photovoltaic cell. Question number 47. What is the source of energy for sun and stars? Option number A, conversion of hydrogen into helium. Option number B, nuclear fusion. Option number C, A and B. Option number D, none of the above. So what is the source of energy for sun and stars? The answer is option number C, both A and B. Question number 48. Which device is used to measure very low temperature? The answer is option number A, cryometer. You can see the cryometer in the right side. How many bones are present in human ear? Question number 49. How many bones are present in human ear? The answer is 6. Option A, 6. Question number 50 and the last question of this part 1. In which light photosynthesis is maximum? Answer is option number A, red light. In red light photosynthesis is maximum. So thank you everyone for going through this video. This part 1 of MCQs of basic science questions. We'll be coming with part 2, part 3, part 4 and part 5 of science. So stay tuned with us. Subscribe and like the channel and the video if you love our videos and you want to motivate us to keep doing videos like this for you.